Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to open a Mercury Bank USA account as a foreigner. So let's get started. In this video, I'll guide you through the basic steps to open a Mercury Bank account, even if you are not a U.S. resident. First, you need to create a U.S. business. Mercury mainly provides accounts for companies, so most foreigners open a U.S. LLC or a corporation in states like Delaware or Wyoming. This allows you to legally operate a business in the United States. After setting up your company, the next step is to get an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. This is a tax ID issued by the IRS and is required for opening a U.S. business bank account. Once you have your company and EIN ready, go to the official Mercury website and click on the Open Account button. From there, start the application process. You will need to enter your personal details, business information, and your work email address. Then create a secure password for your account. After submitting the application, Mercury will review your business information and documents. If everything meets their requirements, your account will be approved and you will be able to start using your Mercury business banking services. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.